How's it going, everyone? So today I'm going to talk about how to get rid of windburn on your lips. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, if you're interested in online personal training from me, simply comment below in the comment section. I will get back to you guys with more details. So the best way to get rid of windburn is to buy lip balm and apply it to your lips as needed. Hands down, this is the best tip I can give you. I know for me personally, I've always struggled with windburn on my lips due to working outside for my job. Now, I've tried a lot of different lip balms, but the one I recommend in the description box is the one that works best for me. Actually, I probably won't put it in the description box. I will just tell you guys it's just basically normal lip balm. So any lip balm will work as long as it says lip balm on it. So I won't put one in the description box, just any lip balm one will work. If your lips are cracking, chapped, or bleeding, then I recommend giving the lip balm a go. Now, for people who don't want to spend money, I will recommend some other natural ways to get rid of the chapped lips. Again, the lip balm is very cheap. It's not expensive. Natural remedy number one is drinking plenty of water. This could be a reason why you have gotten the windburn. It could be from being dehydrated. So I highly recommend drinking water and making sure to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day. This is a good starting point. You may need to drink more water if you're more active. Natural remedy 2 is cucumber. Cucumber will naturally moisturize your lips and get rid of the windburn on your lips. Cucumbers have been used in modern medicine for some time and have the results to back it up. Give cucumber a go and you will see some amazing results. End the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please like the video and share it. Thanks again.